Hello and welcome to Express. Today we're going to be diving, guys, into the amazing world of the edition tools. You're going to be seeing how to use Wave.Video into the 2023. Whether you are a marketer or a content creator or just getting started with video editing, Wave.Video is a great tool to create stunning videos. So let's walk through the steps and uncover all the fantastic features the platform has to offer. So first of all, Wave.Video is an online video editing platform that offers a range of tools for creating, editing, and sharing videos. It's known for its user-friendly interface and its vast library of assets. Now, this is perfect for creating everything from social media content to business presentations and so much more, of course, than that. Now, how can we get started in here? Let's go for creating a new project. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so you can sign up or log in with your Wave.Video account. So once you're actually in, you want to start by creating a new project. So let's hit here into my projects and go for create. So you can choose a blank video or choose a blank image or a video recording and actual text or a blogged post. So you can generate videos from artificial intelligence. For example, here, use my text as is or reduce my text with artificial intelligence. Now, welcome to my channel, to my YouTube channel. You can start from scratch as I just showed you guys. You can choose all the templates, different occasions, and actually what I do is to make this something for the artificial intelligence to be creating the introduction of my video so they can explore the interface. Now, exploring the interface inside the Wave.Video is not going to be that hard. So check it out here. I am already into my actual website. The Wave.Video interface is intuitive, of course, so easily to navigate. Check out that here into the left part, we have the resizes, the templates, stacked and uploads. We have edit, layout, text, and much more. Into the right part, you can see that we have elements that we can edit later. For example, welcome to my YouTube video. I can edit this. Welcome to, double click. Familiarize yourself with these tools. They are the core components of your video editing workflow. Check out that we have the timeline here. I can try to edit or edit media. To add media, guys, you want to upload your files or choose it from Wave.Video into the upper side. We have stacked and uploads. Here I have all the library where I can go into uploads and upload my own videos. Later on, I can open them directly into the edit section of my stuff. So just drag and drop all those elements and you can see that automatically it's going to be added there. So here it's a plus. Let's go for upload, for example. I choose my logo and I hit into add. And just like that, it's going to be added inside my actual section. Of course, it doesn't look so bad after all. Now, what can I do next? Of course, I can try to make this bigger, smaller, delete it if you wanted to see this. Working with text and graphics, of course, it's not going to be that hard. Easily to edit here. So let's go here into text. And you can see, guys, that we have the text section. There are templates that we can use. Just click in it and you can edit as you are working in there. So move along though with 1, 2, even 3 elements. You can add captions into your videos. You can add your own audio. There are watermarks, of course. There are different overlays and stickers into the right part you can add. Now, adding music into sound effects, of course, you wanted to go here into audio. Just drag and drop the elements that you wanted to see, guys, and you're actually good to go. You can add global tracks that appears here. We have global track number 1. You wanted to enable the global track number 2, for example, so I can add here audio and I can record a voice, auto text to speech, for example. I can upload my own audio or I can have stock library. So it's really great to add all this stuff, overlays and stickers here. Check out how it's going to be looking when you do this kind of videos. So let's say, for example, that you are ready with this. Now you have just the audio labels. You have just the balance of the music with the spoken dialogue with your video. Now let's try to export and share your video. So once your video is ready, it's time to export, right? So let's go here into export or publish in this case. And now we wanted to render your video. We have up to 720 MP4 and render with the watermark since this is like a free version. But so far, I think that we have done a really great work. After the exporting, you can download your video or you can share it directly to the social media platforms. That is totally depending on what you're actually trying to do inside the Wave.Video. And that, guys, is how you create a professional looking video using Wave.Video. With practice, you can explore more advanced features to enhance your video projects further. So if this tutorial was helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to the Tech Express for more video editing tips and tricks. Have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Happily video making. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and guides. And of course, going to be updating more elements as they're tributing here into the Wave.Video, and you can check out the preview stuff and all of that. Thank you once again, guys. See you next time.